The tensions that we're seeing are because of the quick way in which the city reached this decision.
Mandatory vaccination comes into effect October 31st for all city employees, and that is pushing Calgary Fire, police, their unions, as well as the city into new territory, as some members have protested the move. One by one, first responders touched the firefighters' memorial outside City Hall, where they protested the mandatory vaccine order Tuesday.
The short discussion around this and the amount of consultation that occurred caught them off guard.
Back on August 25th, Calgary Police Chief Mark Neufeld said they were working closely with the city to find ways to reduce the spread of COVID.
Looking at all options. Certainly that would include the use of mandatory vaccination policies. That would include the use of rapid testing technology.
This was before the city issued its mandatory vaccine protocol. In a statement Wednesday, the chief says they are working with their own experts as well as city partners on the issue prior to making an official decision on mandatory vaccinations or testing. He writes, "We support the rights for peaceful protest, but encourage our members to be patient as we work through this extremely unique situation. As a service, we continue to encourage eligible members to get vaccinated and believe it is the most effective way to ensure the safety of our members as well as the public we serve." Meantime, the Calgary Firefighters Association says it is aware of members participating in that protest. Approximately 85% of our members are vaccinated for COVID-19. Our job is to be there for the members of our community. Vaccinations are an important part of keeping our members, their families, and the public safe. We will continue to support vaccinations and all COVID-19 safety protocols for our members. City employees without religious or health exemptions who are not fully vaccinated by October 31st will be disciplined and could be fired. Hardcastle expects there to be litigation over the move, but given the public health crisis, the courts will likely be deferential to vaccine mandates, but there are limits to these kinds of mandates.
We do need to be careful about it becoming the new normal. And so when policymakers are implementing things that are restrictive on individual rights, I think they do need to be mindful of when is the end point for this? When are we going to reevaluate this policy? What benchmarks are we going to use to decide if we still need these requirements in place?
The Toronto Police Service, Canada's largest municipal police force, issued mandatory vaccinations by mid-September. In Calgary, Tara Overholt, City News.